Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will be teaching you the 2-octave F sharp major scale. Before we get started, I just want to say if you learned something from this video or you just like the content, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And now, let's get right into it. Okay, so first I will be playing the scale for you guys, and then I'm going to be showing you what the notes are and how to play them. Okay, so this is what the F sharp major scale sounds like. So that is what it sounds like, and now for the tutorial. Okay, so the first note in this scale is F sharp, and since we're in the lower octave, we're playing it as 1, 2, 3. The next note is A flat, which is played 2 and 3. The next note is B flat, which is played 1. The next note is B, which is played 2. The next note is C sharp, which is played 1, 2, 3. And for the C sharp, you want to get this third valve tuning slide out almost fully, so like right about there is good, and you want to leave that out for the C sharp. The next note is E flat, which is played 2 and 3. The next note is F, which is played 1. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is F sharp, but this time, since we're in the middle register, we're playing it as 2. So those are the notes of the scale. And for the second octave, the only difference in terms of fingerings, I think, are 2 notes, if I'm not mistaken. And those 2 notes are C sharp and E flat. So in the second octave, you want to play C sharp as 1 and 2, and you want to play E flat as 2. So that is the only difference in terms of fingerings. And now, one last time, this is how the entire scale sounds like. So hope you guys learned this scale, and until next time, Trumpet Beast signing off.